Hi, so another zero cleanup series. So for this one, we'll be discussing how you can apply installment payment. Okay, for example, for this one, this is a bill. Okay, so basically, installment. So every month, merong 2 to 3 payments na ina-apply for this bill. Okay, so for example, ayan, we have this Express Aviation. And then nakaset up na siya, description, the day, the unit price, the account, the tax rate, and the amount. So the total amount is 125,000 pesos. It's not pesos, it's AUD. It's 125,500 AUD dollar. So as you can see, the first payment is 25,000 and then the rest 1,500 na siya. Okay, so paano ba mag-apply ng ganito? So, as you can see, I'm actually checking the cash coding and I saw that there are multiple installment payment for this bill. So, ang gagawin ko, syempre hindi natin siya ika-cash coding, hindi natin siya record here. So, ang ginawa ko po is, pumunta po ako mismo sa bill and then in-apply ko po lahat ng payment for this bill. Okay, so start tayo ng December 17 hanggang April 8. Okay, for example, ayun, nilagay ko na yung 17. So, December 24 naman tayo. Same, 1,500. Ito po yun, December 24. Okay. So, 1,500 amount paid. Date paid, December 24. Paid from, of course, the bank account kung saan po yan, which is I Am Hybrid Trust. Okay, and then you can add reference here if you want to, pero okay lang din kahit hindi. So, add payment. Okay, so balik tayo ulit dun sa bill para makita lang natin na nag-reflect na siya. So, later kapag to ni-refresh ko to, magmamatch na po siya sa mga unreconciled item or sa, yes, unreconciled item dun sa reconciled tab. Okay? Later, pag tinanggal ko po siya sa cash coding. So, ginagamit ko lang to reference para mapagsunod-sunod ko yung mga payments na i-apply ko. Okay, next naman, January 4. Again, so pag, ayan, no, careful po kayo, baka ma-pay nyo ng full. So, lagay nyo lang po yung amount. January 4. Okay, hybrid trust. And then, add payment. Okay, tuloy-tuloy lang naman. Ganun lang po siya. Balik-balik lang. Hanggang ma-apply nyo po lahat ng installment payment. January 4, January 7, paid from Hybrid Trust. Okay, sige, tapusin natin siya. January 7, oops, balik tayo sa bill. Doon tayo 7, doon na tayo sa 14, 21, okay. Oops, 21. Tapos Feb 4. Okay. Ganyan lang naman po siya. So, ganyan lang siya kadali. So, make sure lang na sa tamang bank account nyo po siya ina-apply. Okay. So, Feb 21. Later, pakikita ko po sa inyo paano siya dun sa reconcile tab. Tapos, ma-match na. Ready for matching na lang po siya nun. Okay. 21. Hybrid. Add payment. Okay, March 1. Click tayo sa bill. So, nagkamali po kayo. Remove redo nyo lang po yan. Okay, so add payment. March 4. March 11, 18. 1/5, March 11. Oops. March. Hybrid. Tapos, March 18. Tsaka 25. April 5, 8. Okay, ilan na lang. Okay, March 25. Paid from, okay, hybrid pa rin, of course. Tapos, April 5. Hybrid. Add payment. And then lastly, April 8. Okay. So, yun po. Na-apply na po natin lahat ng payment. So, balik tayo sa Reconcile tab. Ito tayo doon. So, nag-start siya na around December. Tama ba? December 17, 2021. So, medyo adjust natin bandang dito 6. Ay, sumobra tayo. Mga 4. Ayan. Okay. So, December 3rd, December 17. Okay. So, ayan. As you can see po, ayan, ang daming mga possible matches because may multiple payment for this bill. So, piliin nyo lang po yung payment for December 17. So, ayan. December 17. Check nyo lang po. Okay, 17. Pangga tayo dyan. Okay. Okay, ito na naman. Check lang natin kung tama. 24. Okay, okay. Alright, so ganun lang naman po siya. January 4. Okay, click. 7. Okay. 14. Okay, actually, inaano niya naman po, minamatch na naman po sa exact date. So, I'm just showing you guys just to make sure na hindi natin siya mamamatch sa maling date. Okay. Ayan. So, binulang lang po hanggang matapos natin. Feb 21, March 1, March 4, March 11, okay. March 18, 25, April 5, April 8, April 8. Okay, so ayan. Refresh lang natin. Then check natin yung cash coding. Just to make sure lang. Display more. Wala tayong na-miss. Tapos check ko lang yung account transactions. Just to make sure wala akong hindi na i-match na 1.5. Kasi natin. Okay, so far, lahat naman na-reconciled ko na apply ko siya for Express Aviation. Okay, so we're all good. So, ayun lang po how you can apply installment payment to a bill. That's it. Thank you so much and see you again in the next video.